Do you believe that? I think that's true.
Yep, I got that.
Yeah, I heard of that. That's okay, yeah. That's it.
You're smiling back there again,
Yeah,
aren't you?
I'll go along with that. That's true.
I like this lady's plan.
Yeah.
It's tough when you're young and it's tough when you're old. But then in between, why it's
tough.
life.
It's tough too.
Getting through that middle road, that's what's tough. But then somebody like you comes along and it makes it all different again. Did you know that? I don't know if I believe that or not. I think I'll think that over.
There's nothing for you to worry about.
Pretty good life.
You're brand new. Everybody likes
Yeah,
you.
and you've got a nice mommy and a nice daddy. You're going to be a real keeper when you do it. Or maybe even before you get grown up. Yeah. Can you take care of part of that for me? Because you've got a nice mommy and daddy. And oh my, your grandma and grandpa are just wonderful people. Can you remember that? You're so sweet. Pretty soon that will get to be old hat, won't it? Well, you're thinking it over.
She looks pretty happy. She says, "I know this is a lady who knows how to hold babies."